Hi kids. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nuts. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for television. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for watch. X for Christmas. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Like video and subscribe channel.